up, y'all? It's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and it's February, so I'm prepared to continue our tradition where we start every video off with a quote from a Black person during the month of February, not only because it's Black History Month, but a reminder that Black history is American history and it's world history. So today's quote comes from James Baldwin. It says, "Those who say it can't be done are usually interrupted by others doing it." I'm really excited about today's review because it is from Maya's Cookies. If you've seen my video in the past, you know I've already been there, but she is doing a Black history collection. She actually has a little brochure that tells you all about it, and each cookie, and it looks like each cookie is inspired by a different person, and then also there are some woman Black-owned businesses that are featured in each recipe. So let's get sampling. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna reach into the bag and I'm gonna taste it, and then I'm gonna guess based on what it tastes like which cookie it is, because I didn't write the names of the cookies on the bags. So first up we have, ooh, it's pretty. It's got some good sugar on it. Let's smell it. Smells like what every confectionery delight should smell like. Okay, let's go in. Wow, there is a lot of flavor packed into this cookie, y'all. I think this is the chart topper because it's sweet. It says that this one has smoked peach jam, real peach pieces, and brown sugar, cinnamon brown sugar crumble. Wow, I can't talk. I think that's what this might be. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh wait, yeah, that tastes more like peach than it did strawberry. Okay, moving right along. Next up, get into it. Because this has chocolate, I'm going to assume this is the best seller. So it should have a marbling of red velvet, brown sugar, chocolate chunk, and salted caramel fudge. Okay. Okay, the salted caramel, I don't know what it was that I just tasted that made me go, For this to be layered with so many different types of amazing cookie dough, it's not really heavy. It's not super sweet. This is like the perfect level of sweetness, and it's got some, like I said, complex flavors, the layering. This is good. This is like a, if I had to nibble on something sweet before I went to bed that's not gonna overdo it, that's what I'm feeling about this one. Again, I'm pretty sure this is the best seller. All right, we're at the last cookie. Oh shoot, maybe this is the chart topper. Maya, if you watch this, let me know if I got it horribly wrong. Okay. This smells amazing. It smells cinnamony though. Okay, so that means the other one, oh, I don't know, y'all. Here we go. Yeah, this is the peach one. Yeah, this is, okay, I got it wrong. This is the chart topper. This is the peach one. Because I'm pretty sure I just ate a peach piece. Okay. This one gives me like pie crust, like homemade pie crust, and like the lattice of the like pie filling that would go on top of it tastes like kind of like a peach cobbler, but that like, but also it tastes like when somebody makes fresh biscuits and puts like a little bit of cinnamon in the mix. Okay, so let me just go back. This, y'all, is the chart topper. This is the best seller. And the first cookie that I sampled that I incorrectly do not know the difference between strawberry and peach apparently is the Prodigy. All right, let's rate these cookies using the POP method. P is for presentation and plating, aka packaging. So pretty standard packaging, but we have to include the brochure into the packaging that lets you know what you're getting into. It gives you a note from the founder. It gives you some information about what inspired the cookie design. Also tells you about the businesses that are featured in each cookie that make it special. So full points, optics, you saw how these cookies look. They're a good size cookie. I don't know if you could finish a whole cookie in one sitting. Maybe you can. So you're getting what you pay for. Beautiful, they smell amazing. Yes, yes, yes. So optics got it for me. And then pricing and pop or punch, sorry. So pricing, I will be sure to put the price of each cookie in the description box because I never remember the price part. But when you're supporting a Black owned business that's got a special Black History collection, does it really matter the price? And then finally, that punch. We're talking about the flavor profile here. Y'all, you saw my reactions. I loved everything. You know, the thing about trying 3 different cookies in one sitting is that you can be overwhelmed and feel like, oh my gosh, like I have a toothache from all that sugar. But these cookies were perfectly balanced. They're soft, they break apart. They're not like burnt on the bottom. These are just amazing cookies. I mean, I've had mine before. You guys have watched that video, but I'm really impressed with this Black History collection. If you're in the area, or I think you can also purchase these online, so be sure to check it out. If you do try them, let me know what you think and which one is your favorite. So connect with me in the comment section below, and you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.